My name is Vaishnavi. In this video, I'll be talking about leukocytes, classification, structure, and function, and leukogram. Leukocytes are key players in the defense against invading microorganisms and in the repair of injured tissues. Leukogram shows the differential leukocytes count. Leukocytes can be divided into granulocytes and agranulocytes depending upon cytoplasmic granules and the shape of the nuclei. Granulocytes have two types of granules: acidophilic granules, which are specialized lysosomes and they stain darkly. When the cells phagocytose microorganisms, several acidophilic granules act collectively to kill and then digest them. The second type of granules are specific granules, which bind to neutral, basic, or acidic stains. Granulocytes can be divided into neutrophils, eosinophils, and basophils, depending upon what type of stain the specific granules bind to. For example, eosinophils bind to acidic stains. Neutrophils, they constitute 60 to 70% of leukocytes. Their nuclei have 2 to 5 lobes. When circulating in the blood, they are in their inactive and spherical form, but they become actively amoeboid during diapetesis. Their main function is to phagocytose bacteria. Eosinophils are far less numerous and only 2 to 4% of leukocytes. They have bilobed nuclei. They also have large red specific granules which contain arginine protein and are stained by eosin. They have cytotoxic effects on parasites and also phagocytose antigen antibody complexes, modulate inflammatory response, and mediate allergic reactions and asthma. Basophils are less than 1% of leukocytes. The nucleus is divided into 2 or more irregular lobes. They are the mediator of inflammation. The large specific granules overlying the nucleus usually obscure the nucleus shape. The specific granules stain dark blue. The metachromasia effect is due to the presence of heparin and other glycoaminoglycans in the granules. The metachromasia effect is the change in color of staining carried out in tissues exhibited by certain dyes when they bind to particular substances present in these tissues, called chromotropes. Moving on to agranulocytes, they're divided into two types: lymphocytes and monocytes. Lymphocytes have spherical nuclei. Their functional role is related to immune defense against invading microorganisms, foreign or abnormal antigens, and cancer cells. They constitute 20 to 40% of leukocytes. They have spherical nuclei which fill the entire cell, and they also have very condensed and basophilic chromatin, making them easily distinguishable from granulocytes. Monocytes are 2 to 10% of leukocytes. Their cytoplasm is basophilic, like lymphocytes. They have kidney-shaped nucleus, and their main role is to perform phagocytosis. Thank you.